Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and I wanted to start off the year with sharing with you all one of our favorite dishes, baked ziti. This baked ziti is an easy, saucy, cheesy pasta casserole. First start off by cooking 1 pound of ziti pasta in salted water according to package instructions until al dente. And you want to make sure to not overcook the pasta, being how you're still going to bake it in the oven. Once the pasta is done, drain and put aside. Now in a large pot or Dutch oven, heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add in 1 pound of ground beef and 1 small onion. And then you're going to cook all this together over medium-high heat until the meat is fully cooked and the onions are softened for about 6 to 7 minutes. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Now add in 4½ cups of marinara sauce. We love using Classico 4 cheese. Then bring this to a simmer and continue cooking for 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. Now I like to spread some of the meat sauce on the bottom of the casserole dish. This will help keep the noodles from sticking on the bottom. Now into the remaining sauce, spoon in 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. Then stir that together until it's lightly combined. Then add in the cooked pasta and stir just until the noodles are coated. Then transfer the pasta to the casserole dish and spread it around evenly. Now top it off with some mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Then you're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. And you want to let cool for at least 5 minutes before serving. We love serving it with some more mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this baked ziti recipe. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!